Hey yo, what's going on with the viewers of the tube? Tyler here of chicocrypto, coming to you not live, not in the studio, but out in nature, aka my backyard once again. And Bitcoin is having a wild day today. Pumping above 42K, and then we're dropping by about 1,000. Volatility is here. But let's talk about the Bitcoin price over the past few days. So it dipped to below 39K Sunday evening, Monday morning, and then by today we pumped to over 42K. From the low to the high, that's nearly a 9% increase in just 3 days. And over those 3 days, you guys, guess what has happened to Bitcoin and the liquidations? Well, 300 million in shorts were liquidated during that time. Now, if you watched my videos last week, I predicted this almost exactly. We are going to drop down to 39K, and then a short squeeze was going to come because people were getting overly bearish. Top BTC analysis putting out bearish tweets. Some of the biggest technical analysis YouTubers, Benjamin Cohen, putting out bearish videos, and that's a signal to me. When those guys start getting bearish, it's time to reverse and get bullish, which was a pretty good theory. So what's going on in the crypto world that is bullish, which means we will shake off this little dip and keep running up. NASDAQ, the big old stonk exchange, one of their execs has said that getting a spot Bitcoin and crypto ETF approved in the United States is one of their highest priorities. And just a couple days ago, they released some documentation information regarding their clients, and basically every single one of them, almost 80% of their clients, wants Bitcoin trading through an ETF. So having, that entity pushing for an ETF is only bullish. But regarding a Bitcoin ETF, you guys, Australia, they just actually adopted their first one. And they are the 8th country in this world that has done so. So it's just a matter of time, in my opinion, that the United States will follow suit. If you didn't know, gold ETFs first got launched in different countries before the United States saw how much money was being made, and they're like, all right, we need to launch ours. But there's also one that could get approved very soon. So if you guys know about Grayscale and Barry Silbert, the CEO behind that, basically they have GBTC. And GBTC is one of the biggest institutional crypto Bitcoin products out there, and Barry and Grayscale have been wanting to convert GBTC into an ETF. And Barry was just talking to some news outlets, and he said it's a matter of when, not if the United States SEC will approve a Bitcoin ETF. Not necessarily theirs, but necessarily theirs. Because just before this, Barry was talking to news outlets once again, and he said that they are proactively working with the SEC to get their ETF launched. So I know you guys saw the thumbnail, the title of this video, and it was bullish. Today something is happening. So what could that today be? Well, if you guys didn't know, today is 420, smoke it, brothers. Yeah, 420. But 420 is a significant day for a certain person. Who is that person? Who is that person? That is Elon Musk. So I have a feeling that he could pull the trigger and do something shocking today. Shocking like what? Well, possibly announce that Tesla is reaccepting Bitcoin for their vehicles. So if you didn't know, Elon loves 420. He tweets about it all the time. He's tweeted back in 2020, maybe earlier than that, he was taking Tesla private at 420. He's tweeted about 420 Starlink satellites, tweeting about 420.69 and inflation, even changing the price of Teslas to 69,420. So if you haven't noticed, if you go to his Twitter, Elon's been quiet all day today. It's his favorite day. Why is he so freaking quiet? Well, the Tesla earnings call is going down today, you guys. So could there be an announcement that Bitcoin is being reaccepted by Tesla for vehicles? As we know, he said the reason he stopped accepting it was because of how much energy Bitcoin was taking, and he wanted, proof, evidence that more than 50% of Bitcoin's energy was coming from renewable sources. Well, there's information out there that this has already happened, so today could be the day. But there's also, that's dogecoin. There's a possibility that he announces Doge, or there's a possibility he announces nothing. This is pure just speculation by chicocrypto. Don't put your money where my mouth is, because my mouth talks a lot. But now let's move on to some altcoin crypto news. So I've predicted another airdrop. Yeah, chicocrypto is the airdrop master. I call airdrops way before they're going to happen and get people in position to make pretty hefty sums off of these airdrops. DYDX, Uniswap, Paraswap, a few others. I just can't think of them off the top of my head. Well, another one is pretty much confirmed. So if you guys didn't know, optimistic Ethereum is an optimistic roll-up for Ethereum, a layer 2, and I've predicted for a while that they are going to do an airdrop. There wasn't much, information. The team has already said that they're not going to do an airdrop. I just had a feeling, if they wanted to compete with some of these other layer 2s, they would have to do it. And that looks like it's the case. And again, too, Paradigm is an investor behind Optimism. Paradigm, the VC fund that loves airdrops. So the details that have been leaked is Coinbase actually listed it within their application and web app. And also, the big one is Kane Warwick, the founder of Synthetics, one of the first projects to go on Optimism Layer 2, highly connected to the team, tweeted OP today. He wasn't talking about overpowered, I don't think. I think he's talking about a token symbol, OP for Optimism. So what else could be coming, you guys, regarding airdrops? Well, Layer 2 season's here, and I have a feeling it's going to kick off an airdrop season. There's ZK Sync, which has said they're going to do an airdrop. I predicted this one a long time ago. Arbitrum could be forced to as well. By Optimism doing this and seeing the hype that it causes for their ecosystem, it's going to force Arbitrum's hand too. So, there's going to be an airdrop season, and Optimism is going to kick it off. Now, the final thing I want to talk about is pretty dang important. Chainlink. Chainlink staking, I have a feeling, is coming within the next month, maybe even less. So there's some information out there regarding these Chainlink wallets that all started stacking the same amount. So it looks like these are nodes getting the requirements for a staking node. So if they are testing this out as of right now, testing takes about a month, I have a feeling Chainlink staking is coming within the month, you guys. And when it does happen, it's not going to be only bullish for Chainlink. Linkpool, LPL, they are one of the big enterprise node service providers out there running Chainlink nodes for the longest. Linkpool is also going to do very well. So you guys, It's possible. Today, we have Elon announcing Tesla reaccepting Bitcoin. Speculation on my part. I just have a feeling today would be a good day. And that will make the price go up, up, up. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.